Oh God, I love the. I miss riding Daisy because all I had was the van. It's probably came up so quick because I ain't got no gas. Oh, you're right, yeah. Yeah, no bounce there. God, man, I love motorcycles. It's gonna be cold though the next couple days. It's gonna suck. Man, my bike looks so janky. Oh shit, front brakes, they work. Do you want to get a beef jerky stick, dude? This sounds fire. Yeah, you want one?
I don't care.
Let's go grab one. I gotta blow a fat snot rocket too. Fire! Alright, bro, amigo. There we go. Check my mail and then I'll just follow you if you want. You know where to go just as much as I do. Watch out, bro. Why me, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't even know. I'm just going to my house. No. Probably right. Bro, f me, dude. God f***ing damn it, dude. And I got it on video. What the f***? Do you think it was the gas on my tire? Like, as soon as I came down, it slipped. As soon as I came down. What the